Hi, my name's Jason and welcome to the Clothesline Store. In this video, we're going to review the Hills Everyday 37 folding clothesline. Now this clothesline will suit between 1 to 3 people, however it does depend on the size of your wash load. It comes with a 3.2 metre head diameter, so that is tip to tip, and it has 6 lines which gives 37 metres of hanging space. Now the longest line is 2.18 metres long, that's the line on the outside, which will fit a double sheet. However, it does depend on the brand of sheet. It could be a little scrunched up. So the clothesline is made of a galvanised high tensile steel. It is also powder coated to protect it from the elements. The everyday range comes in a green. The post is 57 millimetres and it is pre-wired, which means you don't have to do the wiring. It is very easy to assemble and install. Now with this clothesline you receive a socket to go in the ground, but you also receive 3 spaces which enable you to adjust the height of the clothesline. It's very simple to tension the lines also, which is required to be done over a period of time, and that's the same with any folding frame clotheslines. You basically have a section here where the clotheslines go through the bars on the line, and there's one section at the end of each line where you tension it off and tie it off. It comes with a manufacturer's 10-year warranty. The height of the clothesline is also adjustable via the handle. It also folds down when you're not using it, which gives you back valuable space, and I'll just show you how to do that now. You simply release this clip here and lower the clothesline like this. And as you can see, it's nice and compact. In addition to this, because it sits in a socket, you can actually remove it and take it completely out of the way, which gives you even more space. So I hope this has helped you with your evaluation of the Hills Everyday Folding Clothesline. My name's Jason. Thanks for visiting the clotheslinestore.com.au and bye for now.